getting this fast blink on my right blinker. Left seems okay. Right sometimes goes fast, sometimes goes okay. So I did test the blinkers a few minutes ago. This is the right one if you're sitting in the driver's seat. It does not work when it's blinking fast. If it goes back to slow, it does seem to work. But of course this one blinks. And of course these lamps, I used to call them bulbs, are orange because the glass here, aka plastic, is clear. So it blinks orange. So it's the orange lamp underneath. I did notice the glass here on this one, the plastic cover is cracked, so I'm gonna need to order one of those, but I'll deal with that at a later time. All right, so to get to where these lamps are located, you need to remove the little, you don't remove them, but loosen up the little dealies here. There's 6 of them, and that allows the whole front piece to go forward a little bit there. You can use, they make tools that do this, or you can just use what I use is a flathead screwdriver to loosen them up. So they do come out, and you can take them out, I guess I will. But they actually can stay in place too, but I figure I'll probably have better luck of not losing them if I go ahead and pop them out and save them versus the possibility of them just falling out on their own. And the whole contraption like that one could come out. Put these back here. Get them out of the way. Once you do that, the entire thing, and I'm just gonna end up taking them all out because otherwise they're gonna come out and I'll be trying to chase them down for a while. All right. You look down in there, there are these little clamps that are holding this together. You just kind of pull this forward and the clamps kind of, you pop out of those enough that, again, I'm not pulling it out all the way. I'm just trying to pull it out so I can get to right there where that blinker is, where the holder for that is. So, all right. So for that one, you just simply twist it. And there you go. There's your lamp. Just kind of pulls out. And it is a 3757 NA. Okay. Alright, I think we can see a little better here. So now I'm gonna get one of these out of the package. And we'll compare the old one to the new one and see what the difference looks like. Well, this is the old one, this is the new one. They're both Sylvania. They look exactly alike, but this one obviously is a little more wore out looking, a little more tired, which I know the feeling. So we're just gonna get this in here, snap it in, and get that tight back in there and turn it into place. Then we'll move over to the other side and replace that one. No, that's really, no, it's kind of a douchebag thing to do. Okay, move over to the other side here. Again, this is not something I've always done. Most of my life, I have only replaced bulbs when they failed, and only replaced the one that failed. I started thinking, you know what, I'm going through the trouble of taking everything apart here. Might as well replace both bulbs. Typically, the package comes with 2 anyway. And, you know, why does it come with 2? Well, you might as well do them both. It's like, well, I only want to do the one that fails. I get it, but at the same time, what's the chance I'm going to be able to find this package later with the one bulb in it? I might as well go ahead and do them both. Okay, so we got the bulb back into place. Let me move the camera once more. All right, so we've got the 2 lamps replaced there. We're gonna go ahead and get the bottom in. Just kind of, I don't know way you can see what I'm doing here, but I'm just kind of hitting it. Obviously you could get a rubber mallet or something, but I'm just kind of doing it with my hand. Let me collect all the little pieces here. They're right where the camera's sitting. as luck would have it. So then what it is, you just pretty much take your piece, stick it in there, and then push your little other piece in there. Obviously have no clue what these are called. Here is the one that was not blinking before. Definitely good there. Let me go turn on the other one. And we're still good there. All right, so that took care of it. All right, so if you need to do the back, I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it, but really it is as easy as popping these 4 screws out right here. You probably do them at a diagonal if I was really taking them all the way out. And I would have a better screwdriver. Take it out, and it's the same principle there. You're just gonna remove the holder and replace the lamp. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a good day.